Us, don't worry. I'll stay closest to us. Oh, perfect right now. I'm gonna go around your left and then whip around to the right.
Look at my camera. Is it recording?
Hold on, let me turn.
Temperature
Yes.
79 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right.
Timer cleared.
Ready?
Ready.
3. Oh, my flaps are down.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Roll on throttle.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Shot me up in the air.
Temperature 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Light pack 23.2 volts.
Gonna stay closest to us, but I'm gonna go slow. There we go. Make your turn, I'll stick with you.
4.0 volts.
Just keep our speed up because it's bumpy as hell.
Yeah, I'm noticing that.
Temperature no data.
I want to be furthest out.
Okay. Wiggling all over the place.
Yes.
No data.
Come lower.
Lower.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Keep them closer so we can
Temperature 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
I was waiting for something.
Pack 20.
That's what she said.
Lower?
Yeah, go lower.
Nice and slow, not fast. Nice. That was a nice pass.
Yes, it was.
Light pack 22.7 volts.
Jet is wiggling.
Mine's all over. It's not just you.
Place.
It's not just you. Me too.
Temperature 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
Stay like right there.
Whoa!
You were doing that the same time I was, and I freaked out.
Oh.
Flying your jet.
I hit a weird thermal. It made me do a tail slide.
Yeah. All right, low pass.
Go.
You can come behind me. Yo, that was good. I gotta do that again.
Do it.
I didn't.
See if we can stay together.
Light pack 30 seconds.
Yeah, I know. I did the same thing. It's just,
I was like, what the?
it's the we hit some kind of weird something.
Wanna be further out?
Okay.
Light pack
It is like
10,
doing some
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
and
1. Time expired. Temperature no data. Light pack no data.
Slower. Okay.
out. I'm gonna be further out.
Okay. I'm just gliding mostly. Whoa! It hit me too. Holy crap! Don't like going through there.
Timer over 29 seconds.
Yeah, you. Alright. Just came through. Whoa! What the heck, man? Just come on down. I'll come in. I'm not going to escort you because of the wind.
Minute over. Gear down. Light
Yeah, that thermal, see, it's gone now.
It was weird.
You clear?
Yep.
Landing flaps.
It hit me at the last minute, you see that?
Flaps
It
up.
was all over the place. I know you do. It actually worked to slow the plane down at any speed. Sheesh. Alright, that was good. How ugly mine is.